Hey guys, it's Leah. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch SE. I want to give you the specs right before I unbox it. It is the Apple Watch SE 2nd generation with 40mm silver AI blue cloud sport loop GPS. I'm really excited, so let's get started unboxing. Here's the box. Here's the box. It is so pretty. We have the watch in this box. It's actually really heavy. And we have the blue sports loop. Here's the packaging. It's super pretty with all of the different bands. I think I have this band, but again, I'm not really sure. Get started opening the box. I'm gonna start off by opening the band. Here it is, and it has the directions on how to install it. Here's the band itself. It is so pretty, and I really like how it feels. Now the moment that we've been waiting for, the actual Apple Watch unboxing. I'm so excited. Hoping the lighting's not that bad. Oh, the lighting's actually kind of bad. Sorry about the horrible shadows, but now let's open the box. Here's the instructions and the cord. Here's the watch. Okay, now let's do the setup and customization. Starting off, we're gonna be putting the bands onto the watch. Here it is. Let's do the customization, which is one of the parts that I'm most excited about. The unboxing is so much fun, but also the customization is like even more fun. English, United States. Start pairing. Start pairing. Set up for myself. Okay. Okay. Set up Apple Watch. I'll wear it on my right wrist. Digital crown. I don't know what that means. Let's do top. Let me know what that means in the comments. Agree. Don't share. Good password. Whoa, that is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna take this away so you don't see my password. Okay, I set up the password. Okay. Probably like this. Don't use Siri. Okay. Personalize health, fitness, and health. Set up activity. Try to burn 2,000 calories a day. So. There we go. Set move goal. Let's do 90. I think that's good. Angle. We'll do, I don't know, I can always change it. We can enable, continue. Okay, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this for so long. This is part of my birthday gift. Okay, so finally finished. To start my screen recording again, done. Okay, my Apple Watch, let's start setting it up. It has the time on here. Okay, and on here I'm gonna start figuring things out. So there's a lot of information. Okay, I don't know what to do. We're gonna change start. navigate. Okay, I'm gonna do this first and then this. Place the digital crown, okay? Whoa. Turn, okay? Press the slide button to open the control center. Okay. Okay, so here it is. It looks so good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification bell, and you can be notified anytime I post a new video. So stay tuned for the birthday haul coming. Next week I should be posting a birthday haul because I got this for my birthday. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!